No, 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 no.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Come on, it's fine.
No, it's
You are not safe.
You are gonna burn down the freaking house. What are you doing?
Today we have a special treat for you. I'm gonna be making the world's largest fire snake. If you don't know what a fire snake is, on the 4th of July, when you don't have enough money to buy fireworks, you buy fire snakes. I'm super excited because this same experiment was first performed by Sir Isaac Newton in 1892, in which he proved beyond a shadow of a doubt the theory of relativity, basically proving white matter can be turned into dark matter. And I will caution you, this is an extremely dangerous experiment. Do not try this at home, possibly in your garage, but do not try this at home. So the ingredients for this experiment are simple. I've got a mixture of 4-to-1 baking soda and sugar. I'm gonna place it. I've got a tub of sand here. Nice and careful. Dang it, I actually messed up. Crap. 2 ingredients and I messed it up. So the ingredients are pretty basic. You start off, pot of sand, lighter fluid. You're just gonna pour this in the sand. You gotta get plenty on there. Now once again, if you try this at home, in your garage, you're gonna wanna use extreme caution, use a shield, and make sure you're using safety goggles. Again, we're going for the world's largest fire snake. And then after you've applied the lighter fluid, liberally, you're gonna apply your mixture of baking soda and sugar. And again, this is the first time something like this has ever been attempted. We're going for the world's largest fire snake. I've got my titanium alloy military grade shield. Got my semi-fireproof glasses. World's largest snake in 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go, here we go. Now, if you'll notice, almost immediately the polycarbonate compounds start to release into the atmosphere, releasing the toxins that turn it into...
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That's not fair. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
No, 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 no.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Come on, it's fine.
No, it's
You
not.
are not safe.
You are gonna burn down the freaking house. What are you doing?
And if you look closely, the black smoke being released is...
What is that? Why? What are you doing?
It's a fire snake.
You are an idiot. You're gonna kill us all. You're gonna freaking kill us all.
No, no.
Kill us.
Go. Go. One thing Sir Isaac Newton failed to notice in his previous attempts at this, that black matter made up in this sulfuric acid is actually the exact same substance that makes up a black hole. So it's pretty amazing that we were actually able to duplicate the effects of a black hole in my garage. All right, you guys, we're gonna call it there for a minute. The results of this experiment were absolutely astounding. For the amount of gray matter that became black matter, that was absolutely incredible. The monosodium glutamate, it was way more than Sir Isaac Newton used in his original test. Just totally surprising. So I'm gonna go ahead and use, this was yellow flame I've been using the entire time. And I don't know, I think I'm gonna switch to the blue flame. If you guys have seen Back to the Future, it's basically the same way the flux capacitor works. Totally proves the theory of relativity. So I'm gonna go ahead and use blue flame here and we're gonna see what happens. I don't know if you guys could see that through the camera, but basically when the sulfuric acid joined with the 3 molecules of oxygen, wow. That's basic science, guys. That was so fun, reproving the theory of relativity. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna let this grow overnight. I'm gonna go to bed and we'll check on it in the morning and see what happens. I'm guessing it's gonna grow in size about 3-4 grams, but not by much. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you're subscribed, click the notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out, and comment below what else you want to see me do, and we'll see you guys next time on The Bad Science.